Hi, good morning. How are you today? I hope you are feel better. Today is Monday. So it's July 19. And our subject for today is English reading. Very good. So, do you have your breakfast? Yes, of course, you have already because later on you will going to eat your lunch. But for now, are you happy that you are here right now? Very good. You know what? I am so happy also that we will see here through online. Anyway, this is Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. Sawadee Cap and good morning again. Now, so this morning is we are going to learn English. All right? So the last meeting you able to learn in English reading about the sky. So you also able to know what are the things you can see in the sky, right? So who among you can remember what we have learned in English reading about the sky? All right. So very good. So this morning is we are going to start our lesson in English reading. So welcome to Primary 1, the English program. Okay, so and our subject for today is English reading. And what is our topic for today? And our topic for today is about how to read the passage using the picture. And then my objective for today is that we will going to read the sample sentence using a picture. Okay, so the last meeting, you've learned what are those things you can see in the sky during the night sky and during the day sky. Okay, so let's start with our lesson. Okay. So as what I have said earlier, the last meeting, you able to learn about the things you can see during the day sky and during the night sky, right? Because these are the two things we can see during the daytime and nighttime. All right. So as far as I remember, you able to know what are the things you can see during the day sky, and you can see such as the sun, what else? And then we have able to see the rainbow during the day sky. And of course, we have also the kite. You also see the birds flying together. And then during the night sky, you're able to see the moon, the stars, and then you're able to see the bats flying during the night sky, right? So those are the things you can see during the day sky and during the night sky. Now, let us read the words for today. And then, Teacher Marvin will going to read the word twice, and then you have to repeat right after me. Is it okay? Very good. Now, words number 1. Okay. What can you say about this picture? Can you give it to me, the name of this picture? Very good. We called it as sky. Everybody say sky. Very good. Next. Do you have any idea what is the picture tells about? All right. Okay. I will give you the hint. It starts with letter S. Okay, so I'll give it to you. C. Everybody say C. Look. Okay, so that is C. Everybody say C. Very good. Next, we have, how about this one? Do you have any idea what the pictures tells about? All right, very good. This is fly. You know who is Superman or Wonder Woman? All right, in the Mars Marvelous, there is a hero which is Superman and heroine which is a Wonder Woman. They are able to fly. So that is fly. Everybody say fly. Very good. Next. How about this one? Can you remember what is the name of this picture? That's right. We called it as rocket. Everybody say rocket. That's right. Next, we have, oh, how about this one? You can see this during the night sky. What do you call this one? Very good. We called it as moon. Everybody say moon. There you go. How about this one? You can see this during the night sky. And what do you call this? Again, you can see this during the night sky. And what do you call this? These are stars. Very good. Again, everybody say stars. That's right. Next. How about this one? You can see this during the daytime or nighttime. That's right. You can see this during the day sky. And what do you call this picture? Very good. We called it as sun. Everybody say sun. All right. Next. How about this one? In what sky you can see this? Is it day sky or night sky? Very good. We can see this during the night sky because bats are nocturnal. So we call it as bats. All right. Okay. So this time, as what I have said earlier, we will going to read a sample sentence using the different picture. Okay, so let's start the sentence number 1. Okay, so again, Teacher Marvin will going to ask you a question and then you have to answer. I can see the or some. Again, I will going to tell you or I will going to ask you a question using what can you see in the sky? So that is my question. And then you have to answer me, I can see the or some. Okay, you are going to use the if the object or the noun is only one. But if more than one, that is already some. Okay? Say, for example, you can see in the sky the moon. So moon is only one. So you have to say, I can see the moon. But if many, say for example, birds. Birds are many. It's more than one. So what can you see in the sky? Therefore, you have to answer, I can see some birds. All right? Okay. All right. So what can you see in the sky? Okay, okay, what can you say about this picture? And then the picture number 2. We are going to complete the sample sentence using this picture. Okay? Now, so let us complete the sample sentence. Okay, let's, number 1. Look at number 1, the picture number 1. Let's, very good. Let's fly on a, very good. Let's fly on a rocket. So that is how you are going to answer. Again, let's fly on a rocket. Okay, repeat after me. Let's fly on a rocket. You can also say, let's fly on a rocket. Okay, let's fly on a rocket. But some speakers could also say, let's fly on a rocket, or let's fly on a rocket. Okay, next. How about this one? What can you see in the sky? Again, what can you see in the sky? Let us complete the sample sentence using the picture 1 and number 2. Okay, look at the picture number 1. Very good. That is C. How about picture number 2? Very good. It's moon. Now, let us read the sample sentence. I can see the moon. Okay. Question. What can you see in the sky? Again, what can you see in the sky? Answer. I can see the moon. Again, I can see the moon. I can see the moon. Very good. Next, what can you see in the sky? Again, what can you see in the sky? All right. So let us complete the sample sentence using the picture number 1 and the picture number 2. All right, picture number 1. Very good. It's C. What can you see in the sky? I can see some. Look at the picture number 2. Very good. I can see some stars. Now, let us read the passage. I can see some stars. Okay, let us read. Repeat after me. I can see some stars. I can see some stars. Very good. Next, what can you see in the sky? Again, what can you see in the sky? So we have picture number 1 and picture number 2. Now let us complete the sample sentence. Picture number 1 and the picture number 2. Number 1, picture number 1. What is the word that we are going to use? Very good. See. How about picture number 2? What is the appropriate word to use in the picture number 2? Very good. It's sun. So let us read the sample sentence. I can see the sun. Again, I can see the sun. Question. What can you see in the sky? I can see the sun. Okay, let us read the word. Repeat after me. I can see the sun. I can see the sun. Very good. Next, what can you see in the sky? Again, what can you see in the sky? So we have picture number 1 and picture number 2. So let us complete the sample sentence. Okay, let us fill in the words for the sample sentence. Okay, picture number 1. Very good. It's sea. That's right. How about picture number 2? That's right. It's bats. Okay, let us read the word. I can see some bats. I can see some bats. Okay, what can you see in the sky? Let us read the sample sentence. I can see some bats. Okay, let us read the word. Let us read the sample sentence. Repeat after me. I can see some bats. I can see some bats. Very good. Next, the last one. Oh, that's it. Okay, so let's go back to another one. What can you see in the sky? I can see a let's fly on a rocket. Next, what can you see in the sky? Again, what can you see in the sky? I can see the moon. Very good. Next, what can you see in the sky? Very good. I can see some stars. Next, what can you see in the sky? Again, what can you see in the sky? Very good. I can see the sun. What can you see in the sky? Very good. I can see some bats. That's it. So what you are going to do on your worksheet is that you have to complete the passage. Okay? So you will going to analyze the passage. There is a pictures in every sample sentence. And then you have to read the words inside the word bank. All right, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoy with our Monday class, and then later on we will going to have another lesson in this afternoon after your lunch about English phonics. Okay, so that's all for today. This is your English teacher, Teacher Marvin. Sawadee Kap. Have a good day. Bye-bye.